Fantastic Four: Rise of the Silver Surfer is a follow-up to 2005's Fantastic Four, and it's weirdly better and worse than its predecessor. It's better in that there's more action and that they actually create a threat for the Fantastic Four to fight. What's worse is that they make them so much more unlikable. It's kind of amazing, actually, how unlikable they make them. Like, I kind of joked that Reed feels like he belongs at the Playboy Mansion as opposed to being a scientist, but here they literally did that. They put him at this, I don't know, they have him at this party where he's just flirting and trying to seduce these two hookers, and it's weird considering this is his bachelor party. Like, dude, what the heck? Honestly, and there is some good stuff with Reed, though. They do make him a bit more of a scientist in this, but there's also some scenes like the hooker scene where he doesn't really act like Mr. Fantastic. He acts like a nerd who just got like $1 billion. He just constantly flaunts his wealth and his genius, whereas Mr. Fantastic isn't supposed to be that. He's supposed to be humble. He's supposed to care about scientific discovery, helping humanity, whereas I don't feel that with Reed in this. Although the other characters, they are better and worse in the same way Reed is. Like, Johnny gets more to do, but his arc makes completely no sense. Since you think the arc's going to be, oh, he's causing all this trouble because he doesn't work on it as a team. You think, oh, he's going to help the team in the end. He doesn't. He does it all on his own. So what was the point? And Ben's just shoved to the side. Like, honestly, he has nothing in this movie. You could completely write him out of it. It sucks, since he was the best part of the first one, and to see him just shoved to the side is really sad. The one character I feel like is a genuine improvement is probably Jessica Alba's Sue Storm, which there was a very low bar set in that first movie, as she was just TNA fare in that one. And they give her a little more agency, but not much. So we've gone from rock bottom to the first step from rock bottom. So not that high of a I would say compliment to it, but take that what you will. The effects are also better in this, but it also has the exact opposite problem of the first movie. Whereas the first one kind of starts off with a bang, and starts off kind of a bang and slows down a bit, but then then ends with a bang, another big bang. This Rise of the Silver Surfer begins very slow going, and then really amps up the action in the middle, and then has one of the worst climaxes in superhero history. Like, I'm not joking. Honestly, Batman and Robin had better climax than this. Batman and Robin, when one say is one of the worst super movies of all time, has a better climax than this. And you want to know what that climax is in Rise of the Silver Surfer? The Silver Surfer flying into a cloud. Oh yeah, it's that kind of movie. And it ends so terribly. It just ends less like a superhero movie, and I don't know, more like a Looney Tunes episode, which honestly I think Looney Tunes was more dramatic than what I saw in this movie. So I don't know, this is weirdly a movie that's better and worse than its predecessor. And honestly, I would much rather watch the first one. The first one was at least kind of amazing in how awful it was. This one's just kind of boring and bland, and I'll probably forget it by the time I see the next movie. So, I don't know. Those are my thoughts. See you next time.